A single word can carry a powerful meaning, one that can collectively focus constructive thoughts and objectives. Reflecting on others' perspectives of that single word can grant insight into the feelings and emotions we commonly share as individuals.
What does unity mean to you? How do you define unity, and what does unity look like here at the University of Iowa?
So it's interesting that you asked the word unity, because I've been struggling with the word inclusivity. And I think that those words are very much connected, right? Unity, in my mind, it means that we are all connected in some way.
We have an environment where everybody feels comfortable being a part of that environment and comfortable coming together.
There has to be a connection point, a community building point, and a common understanding point. And so to me, that's unity, truly being in that symbiotic relationship in order to be in a common understanding of each other and others around us.
I think to me, unity means caring for other people and being able to embrace other people, understand their experiences.
Unity consists of acknowledging those differences and maybe even appreciating them, but not letting it get in the way or put a barrier between us.
I think that unity also has to do with standing up for each other and truly accepting one another for your differences, bonding together for a common purpose, creating change together. I think that all of those things have to do with unity.
When asked what unity means to us, we receive what initially seems like unique responses. Yet at the core, they are all the same. Unity is a path for all of us to come together. It will carry us through this initiative and well beyond in all our lives.